GALA USDT Overview. Signal cost. This signal and analysis are provided to you in exchange for your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Trading style. Spot. Target time frame. Approximately 1 month between take profit, TP, targets. Entry levels. 0.01956 to 0.02597. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.03352. Target 2, 0.03756. Target 3, 0.04137. Target 4, 0.04483. Target 5, 0.04852. Stop level, 0.01194. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully and avoid rushing. Trade using simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Important recommendation. After reaching each take-profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last take-profit price. This will help protect your profits and limit your losses in case the market trend changes. Enter after a pullback. Disclaimer. This analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. We wish you successful trading.